Welcome back to the podcast. If you're tuning in today, get ready to dive into the world of web development simplicity with an exciting new library called Morph. It's not every day that we come across something that promises to make building hypermedia-driven applications feel lighter and more enjoyable. So let's peel back the layers of Morph and discover what it's all about. Morph, as introduced by its creator, is this embeddable full-stack library designed for building hypermedia-driven applications without a build step, specifically tailored for use with HTMX. Now, for those who might not be familiar, HTMX allows you to use HTML to make your web pages more interactive without all the heavy lifting of traditional frameworks. Pretty cool, right? So, what caught my attention right away is that Morph combines the best features of traditional web technologies like server-side rendering, single-page applications, and islands architecture, all while adhering to the principles of plain HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It's almost like the perfect mixtape for developers, allowing them to create dynamic UI experiences without the overhead of a full-stack setup. The creator, who developed Morph while enhancing the development experience for Telegram web apps using Dino, realized that many traditional setups, those that separate front and back ends and lean heavily on frameworks like React or Vue, tend to feel way too cumbersome and complex, especially for smaller projects. Just think about it. How often have you started a project only to become overwhelmed by the need to structure APIs and deal with an entire complex stack? Morph aims to eliminate that friction. It has some fascinating core principles, like allowing components to call their own APIs that return hypertext. Just imagine the flexibility. Even more intriguing is the fact that all components are rendered on the server, giving developers access to the server-side context. This means you can render and re-render components independently. It opens up a world where you're not tied down to a specific architecture. Instead, your components form a hierarchy that can easily nest within one another. But here's the kicker. Morph operates with minimal or no client-side JavaScript and doesn't require a design for API data structures up front. It's designed to blend seamlessly into any Dino, Node, or Bun project. So whether you're building a Telegram bot, a simple desktop app, or even internal tools, Morph is there to simplify your journey. Now, let's take a moment to think about what this means for developers. How great would it be to create apps without overcomplicating things? With Morph, smaller applications don't need the weight of an entire front-end stack, but they can still maintain that clean, user-friendly interface. It's like striking that perfect balance in a relationship. You want to keep things simple, but meaningful. For those eager to jump in, getting started with Morph is as easy as adding a package through your preferred runtime, whether that's Dino, Node, or Bun. You simply import a few modules, and voila, you can create a simple page that delivers rich content right from the server. It's that straightforward. Now, before we wrap up, I want to toss around a couple of thought-provoking questions. How do you see libraries like Morph changing the landscape for web developers in the future? Do you think we'll see a shift away from heavy frameworks towards simpler solutions like this? To summarize, Morph embodies the idea of keeping web development accessible and enjoyable, especially for projects that don't require a heavy lift. With its integration capabilities and minimal overhead, it's an exciting tool for anyone looking to simplify their development process while still delivering stunning applications. That's all for today's episode. Thanks for tuning in to explore the world of Morph with me. I hope you're as inspired as I am to learn more about this innovative library